Hello everyone, my name is Nirav and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever received a STEP, IGES, Parasolid or SolidWorks file and wondered how am I supposed to open this inside BricsCAD? Well, don't worry because BricsCAD Communicator is here to save the day. Today's video I'll show you the complete process of downloading the BricsCAD Communicator, installing it, activating the license and finally importing a real 3D CAD model into BricsCAD. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Octave website. From the product section, select BricsCAD Communicator. And if you don't already have a Bricsys account, simply create one using your email address and it only take a minute. And if you already have an account, just sign in and you are good to go. Once you are logged in, select the appropriate operating system, BricsCAD version. And one small but important tip here that BricsCAD Communicator version should match your BricsCAD version. For an example, if you are using BricsCAD V26, make sure you download the V26 Communicator as well. After selecting the correct version, simply click download. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file and double click on it. The installation wizard will launch. Simply follow the on-screen instruction and continue the default settings unless your company has a specific requirement. The setup process is pretty much straightforward and may take a couple of minutes. While installer is doing all the hard work, this is a perfect time for a quick reminder. If you are enjoying these BricsCAD tutorials and want more on the installation, troubleshooting tips and tricks and productivity hacks, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave your question in the comment. I read them all and your question might even become the topic of our next tutorial. Now let's continue. The installation is now complete unless some application BricsCAD Communicator doesn't have a separate standalone program. So it works directly inside the BricsCAD. So let's launch BricsCAD. Once BricsCAD opens, we need to activate the communicator license. And to do that, type license manager command. Inside the license manager, you will find the communicators section. Click on it. Now select the appropriate license type. In this example, we are using a node-lock license. Simply enter your license key and proceed with the activation. One important thing to remember, make sure your computer is connected to the internet during the activation, at least for a few moments so BricsCAD can validate the license. Now, after a successful activation, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your communicator license has been activated successfully. And that's it. You are now ready to work with the multiple CAD file formats inside the BricsCAD. Now comes the exciting part of this video. So now let's see the communicator in action. So with BricsCAD Communicator, you can import a wide variety of CAD formats, including STEP, IGES, Parasolid, SolidWorks, CATIA, Siemens NX, Creo, and many more. So for this demonstration, we'll import a STEP file. Go to the file in import. You will notice that Communicator adds support for multiple CAD formats. I already have a STEP assembly stored on my system. So I'll simply browse to that location and select the file. Click open. BricsCAD will now process the imported data, and depending on the model size, this may take a few seconds. You can even monitor the import progress while the software converts the data. And there we go. Our assembly has been imported successfully, and as you can see, the complete assembly structure has been preserved. Even the color information and model attributes are retained. If you are using the BricsCAD mechanically, you can open the mechanical browser to explore the assembly hierarchy. Here you can see the top level assemblies, sub assemblies, individual parts, and the complete model structure. And that makes it extremely easy to work with the design received from customers or suppliers who use a different CAD systems. Once the model is inside the BricsCAD, you can modify the geometry using the direct modeling, and you can add the mechanical details, create a manufacturing drawings, or continue your design work entirely within the DWG environment. And honestly, that's one of the biggest advantage of BricsCAD Communicator. You don't have to worry about the CAD software your customer is using. So that's all for today's video. In this tutorial, we covered how to download the BricsCAD Communicator, how to install it, how to activate a node lock license for Communicator, and how to import external CAD formats into BricsCAD. I hope this video helps you get started with the BricsCAD Communicator and make exchanging the CAD data much easier. If you found this tutorial useful, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. If there is any BricsCAD topic, troubleshooting issue, or features that you would like to see in the future video, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.